Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a GA4 property and copying the measurement ID. This is the single value that links Shopify to analytics. Once done, decide whether to add GA4 directly in Shopify or manage tags with Google Tag Manager for flexibility. Make sure you have theme code access. Open Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes, then Edit Code and locate theme. Liquid. Paste snippets only where instructed. This early decision determines how events and e-commerce details will flow into analytics. Now install the tag and build the event layer. If you chose GTM, paste the container code into theme. Liquid and publish, then create a GA4 configuration tag with your measurement ID and GA4 event tags for page view, add to cart, and purchase. If pasting GTag directly, include the GA4 script and measurement ID. Next, use GTM's preview mode or GA4 real-time to confirm triggers fire. Make sure you map Shopify's data layer variables to GTM tags, so transaction values and item details. Finish by verifying and mapping conversions so your reports matter. You should see events in GA4 real-time and debug view. Once you confirm purchase events include revenue and items, mark them as conversions so funnels and reports populate. Make sure enhanced measurement and e-commerce reporting are enabled. If things go wrong, a common fix is to recheck the measurement ID, confirm the GTM container is published, ensure the snippet sits above the closing head tag, and test in an unblocked browser. Ad blockers often prevent hits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.